What if you can produce fantastic short pieces, add copy, and substantial portions of blog posts? Meet Nichesss, a creative writer driven by artificial intelligence that uses the latest GPT-3 technology to create materials for your marketing content. Check out this product review and discover a great deal for you and your business. With a simple click, you can identify lucrative niches in your target market. To acquire all the marketing resources you require for that topic, click one more button. Nichesss can write marketing content and social media updates once you identified a company you like. Plus, this platform will provide you with postings specific to your company that you may share on Reddit and Product Hunt, allowing you to swiftly validate your concepts. You can use a number of options on Nichesss to help you find the right material for your needs. Creating content, specialized reporting, browsing by business type, and searching subreddits are a few of the important features. Nichesss enables you to accomplish more because, from the reader's perspective, the generated content is identical to human-written content. With Nichesss, AI can also eliminate mistakes. This tool will help users make fewer mistakes when performing repetitive tasks out of boredom. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get an exclusive price just by clicking on the link in the description below. So why wait? Find the best content to boost your business profitability with Nichesss. Try it now. Also, check out our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.